BBNaija, the biggest show in the continent. You're in the vibe. I'm gonna bring all the vibe you guys need. Like, I'm the content queen, so just be ready for everything. I'm bringing it all to your table, so yes. What makes me special? Like, I'm multi-talented, I'm creative, I can do a whole lot of things, and it makes me stand out everywhere I go. Something about me that you guys don't know is that I am very, very fun to be with. I am a vibe, a lover or a fighter. Like, I think I'm both. Do I love at first sight? No, I don't love at first sight, but I admire, I'm not a hater. I love you if you look good and all of that, but I do not just love at first sight. What I did when I got the BBNaija call, like, I was screaming. I cannot express, I can't put to words how I felt, like, at that point. On a scale of 10 to 100, how excited I am to be on this show. 100, guys. If there is 200%, I am, so that's it for me. My name is Modella, I'm from Ocean State.